is formed by Celia, Marta and Kathy. And the activity will be color marked car painting. This activity is addressed to children aged from 1 and 2 years old. The material we will for the activity is 4 different fine cards, 4 toy cards, paper and sticky.
Color match painting is super fun activity and it's easy to do. The activity consists in 3 steps. Step 1. Take the paint and put a block of paint on each end of the paper. You have to put 4 different primary colors with their appropriate color. Step 2. Drive the car from this part to the paint of the other side. You have to repeat it in every color. Step 3. Drive the car back, this time trying to stay on the track that you have already made. Already have been made. As you can see, the colors are mixed. So, in this way, children can explore and they can play with the car freely.
The development of this activity is fine motor development, hand-eye coordination and control, cause and effect, language development, color recognition and matching colors, and spatial awareness.